What I had forgotten to mention in the first video was that I made a little dolly for this so I could move it around. The whole saw together weighs, I think, about 250 pounds. The legs for the base and obviously the saw itself are all cast iron, so it's pretty heavy. So I had some 2x4s laying around from another project, just offcuts, and some I guess they're 1x3s from taking some pallets apart, and I just made a little dolly out of for it and put some wheels on the bottom so I could move it around while I'm working on it. And I intended to lag bolt the thing down. There's little slots in the legs to put some bolts through, but I didn't get around to doing it. And as it turned out, by the time I thought about it again, it was time to take it apart. So the only thing you got to keep in mind with this is I put some casters on here, and where you put the fixed casters, the other end has these swivel ones on it. You put the fixed casters. You want to try to keep them parallel to the board, otherwise it's going to track funny when you try to move it around. So that's the only trick to that.